How to see your best friend solar system on Snapchat. To see your friend's solar system on Snapchat, first of all, you have to launch the application itself, then sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you also have to make sure that you are subscribed to the Snapchat Plus Premium. You simply have to tap on your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner. You should be able to find the Bitmoji or the Snapchat Plus Premium icon or the card over here right below your profile name. From here, all you have to do is now access or locate the friend solar system, then turn that switch on. Once you do this, now you simply have to head backwards to the chat or inbox section. From the bottom navigation bar, locate your friend's profile. Once you tap on the Bitmoji, you should be able to access their profile page. Scroll down until you find the option where you should be able to find and decode your planet rank. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.